comrades, this is Nathum Doket back again with another video. So in this video I am trying to answer the queries on sub-inspector examination. So many people are asking me what was the pattern of sub-inspector examination earlier, what was the criteria for your physical, and what was whether we will be qualified if we have tattoos in our hand or in a visible area, or what was the medical standard. So this video is basically to clear those things. So I have talked to one of my friend who is an SI. He's a very good friend of mine, and I've talked to some of my friends who are doctors, and I have also talked to one of my friend who have recently cleared the DSP examination, DSP this APPSC 2017. So I've talked to some of the people who are related to this field. So I hope this video will help you, and this video will help you in answering your queries, and I hope all of you will become an officer by the end of this year 2020 or by the beginning of 2021. With these positive thoughts, let's begin the lecture. Thank you. So let's see what was the procedure and what was the criteria for the selection into sub-inspector of Arunachal Pradesh Police. So first of all, as we can see, there was a physical efficiency test. तो एक फिजिकल एफिशिएंसी टेस्ट होता था. Then after qualifying this physical efficiency test only, you will be allowed to sit in the written examination. That is in the next stage. And after that there was your medical test. So this was the procedure earlier. So let's see what was in the physical efficiency test. So first of all, there was your 1500 meter race in 8 minutes, which is not a very easy task. And then high jump of 120 centimeters in 3 attempts. You will be given 3 attempts to do a high jump of 120 centimeters, and then long jump of 13 feet. So that also you will get 3 attempts. So 100 meters race in 16 seconds, and chin up of 6 times. So chin up 6 times. Your 1500 meters 8 minutes, high jump 120 centimeters, long jump 13 feet, 100 meter race 16 seconds, and chin up 6 times. So this was the physical standard, physical efficiency test that you need to qualify to be able to sit in the written examination. So as you can see that this physical efficiency test doesn't look very easy, not very easy. So you need to prepare for this test. You need to prepare rigorously for this test. In one month or 15 days you won't be able to qualify this examination. And for the written examination, the paper was like general English 100 marks, general knowledge 100 marks, elementary mathematics 100 marks. So this was the pattern for the written examination. Now also, even if APCS takes up this examination recruitment process, but it won't be having much changes, because it is sure that you will have general English and general knowledge paper for sure, and elementary mathematics and reasoning आ सकता है for sure. तो this is not a very difficult task if you are preparing for APPSC prelims, क्योंकि अभी CSET में ऐसे भी you have to do reasoning and mathematics a bit. So it will be easier for you to clear this examination, this written part, but you have to be very careful about the physical efficiency test. And after that, your minimum physical standards. So for in case of height, you need 165 centimeters if you are a general candidate, and chest 79 centimeters, and for APST 160 centimeters, and for APST of Tiraps and Changlang you are 152 centimeters. So this is the physical standard you need minimum. Then there is a medical test, or there some of the things are specifically mentioned which if you have, you will be disqualified. Suppose your squint eyes, eye knocked knees, bow leg, dismembered fingers, and other physical deformity or infirmity which are likely to impediment in active performance of duty. तो पुलिस का ड्यूटी में जो चीज़ आपको परफॉर्म करने में इम्पेड करेगा, those things will lead to disqualification. And many were asking me about the tattoo होने से disqualified होता है क्या बोल के. So I would like to tell you that I have talked to some of my friends. One SI friend, a very good friend of mine, he told me that no, it doesn't lead to disqualification. Some people are there, some officers are still there who qualified for DSP and SI although they were having tattoo in their hand in the visible areas. And one of my uncle who is a doctor, and one of my friend also who is also a doctor, he also told me that no, like the tattoo doesn't lead to disqualification. But yes, if you are trying for other paramilitary forces in the Indian army or anywhere outside of our state, then yes, it will lead to disqualification. So better not to have tattoo. Those who doesn't have tattoo now, they should try to avoid these things. tattoo अगर आपको paramilitary या forces में interest है तो. But yes, for Arunachal, even if you have tattoo, you will get qualified for the post, और मेडिकल में पास हो जाएगा. It doesn't lead to your rejection in the medical test.